Hello, it's Dorian. Hey, remember my Mutterschiff? It's an alternate build for some of the previous LEGO City space sets, and now I'm back with another big spaceship, but this time it's an alternate build for a single set, the Space Base and Rocket Launch Pad 6434. And it's called
LEGO City Space Construction Exploration Landing Ship.
But let's just call it
SC Explorer,
or
Exploration Landing Ship,
or
Spaceship Spaceship Phase,
or
Landing Ship Landing Ship Phase.
this one took way too long to build because of my holy religion to include all pieces of a set when making alternate builds. And the selection of parts didn't really help me with my plans. However, somehow I was able to finish this build, and now we have a fat and massive spaceship with two huge engines, a little rover vehicle and a side build with some alien plants. Yeah. The cockpit has 3 seats, one of which is a small laboratory room. The windscreen can be folded back, but it will not stay in place. There are 3 more seats in the main cabin, and the backpacks and some equipment can be stored here. At the back there's a ramp and a small garage for the rover. Normally the rover would be too heavy for the ramp to stay close, but the ramp is held in place by the window above it.
Good idea!
Master Builder Killer building technique here.
The engines can be rotated, and there's some gear stored at the sides of the ship. The landing gear technically is retractable and extendable, but the ship is way too heavy to stand on it, so it's just for the looks. The radar dish can be rotated and tilted, which makes it easier to open the cabin hatch.
Wonderful!
Overall, this ship is really massive and sturdy. The only thing I'm not too happy about is this little blaster at the front, which will come loose if you grab the nose of the ship. The rover has 1 seat only and some batteries and control panels, and of course it's called
Rover Phase.
Okay, fine.
This one is a premium mock, and you can support my work and buy premium PDF building instructions on Rebrickable. This time I don't have a free building video option, because it would be like 5 hours with tons of mistakes and corrections, and I wanted to spare you that. Link for the building instructions is in the video description. Thank you very much for your support, and thank you for watching. By the way, 501st Legion X-Wing dropship coming soon.
Subscribe.
Right, 212, y'all plus 37. Eagle, you're looking great. Coming up 9 minutes. Altitude 4200, you're go for landing, over. We're go, same type, we're go.